Hello everyone, Simon Tui here for Hemp Foods Australia, and this recipe we're focusing on oil, and in particular hemp gold seed oil. It is made by dehulling the hemp seeds and then squeezing all the natural oils out. Now this creates a really soft and beautiful oil, nowhere near as strong in flavor as other oils, yet still keeping in the vitamins and minerals you need. And this is going to be a slice that I'm using with the oil. So in this bowl we've got some oats and we're going to add our hemp gold seed oil, about 3 tablespoons worth, and then in here we're just going to put everything in and mix it around. So let's just go through it all. We have treacle. I adore treacle. And of course peanut butter, a great holding agent. Some mixed fruit, dried fruit. You can use whatever you like. You can just use dates, you can use dried figs, you can use currants, whatever, go crazy. And then some hemp seeds, a little bit of hemp seed, touch of salt. There we go. And now I'm just gonna get a bit messy. I'm gonna pretend like I'm gonna use a spoon, but I think in reality, my hand is gonna have to go in. There we go. There's nothing wrong with getting a bit messy. The thing I love about hemp gold oil is that it has amazing omega-3s, 6s and 9s. And when you eat it raw, for example, in this dish, you're gonna find those nutrients are gonna be really beneficial for you. And if you think about omega-3s, the one other thing that comes to mind is from fish, and obviously omega-3 supplements from fish oil. Now, because of overfishing and also the farming of fish in our oceans, we're finding that there's heavy metals, there's toxins, and there's microplastics, and you're gonna be consuming that. With this, we can grow it right in front of us. We are drawing carbon from the atmosphere. We are adding to beautiful nutrition into the soil, and not only nutrition in the soil, but nutrition in us. Now in this bowl here, a baking sort of bowl or a baking tray, I've lightly oiled it with more hemp oil. You can use baking paper if you wish, but this will be fine. And all we're doing is pushing it down. Nice and compact. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge until it sets. So it's been in the fridge, it's chilled, it's set. I'm gonna put a chopping board over the top just to make life a little easier. And then, like magic, hey, like magic. Look at that. Little simple, this little broken bit for me. Yum, I know it tastes amazing. I make this all the time at home. My partner makes this all the time at home, and it's absolutely fantastic. I've got a gorgeous dressing that I think you're gonna love. It goes on absolutely everything, and it is the dressing for a lifetime. You will not need to make another one ever again. And I'm using hemp gold seeds oil, and look at the color of that. I mean, it goes to show how beautiful this is by just its glowing gold color. Now, if you're at a supermarket and you see hemp seed oil or hemp gold seed oil, I'm promising you it's a culinary oil. There is no worry that there's not gonna be any THC or CBD at all. You are gonna be absolutely okay, and it's wonderful for the family. This is going in a jar. So the best thing about this recipe is it's kind of like a jar dressing and a nice big glug in our jar. If you have a mustard jar that's nearly running out, that is a fantastic one. So just leave the mustard in there. Not hot English, Dijon or seeded mustard. Perfect. So that's gonna go in too. And then some lemon juice, so your acidity, some warmth. Any kind of hot sauce is good. Tabasco here. Okay, and now a clove of garlic. And it can be quite raw, so be careful, you don't need too much garlic. Okay, so on with the lid, and we are done, right? Put that in the fridge for later, or if you're gonna use it right away, just shake it up. Get your old bingo wings going. Get your old shaking skills going. And you want it to emulsify, and then look at that, it goes beautiful and creamy. And that is thickened up completely. See that? It's almost, you know, let's just pour it, I'll show you what I mean. Look how thick that's gone. That'll cling to your beautiful lettuces, it'll cling to your grains, and you just fold it all through. A little taste. Oh, absolutely heavenly. And to tell you how much I love hemp gold seed oil, especially from Hemp Foods Australia, the old morning ritual. Now, culinary oil, great for the skin, great for your hair, great for your nails, great for your digestive system, and really easy to digest as well. A little shot of that in the morning, I tell you what, is absolutely perfect start of the day. And a dressing like this in the evening is a great finish to a beautiful recipe and a beautiful salad. Now I want to show you the easiest and I think the best way to eat hemp or hemp gold seed oil, and that is the classic red dippy hemp gold seed oil, bit of balsamic, and a hemp dukkha. You can grab, the best thing about this, you can get a regular dukkha from the shop and then add some hemp seeds to that. A really easy way to elevate something super simple. Now, for me, it's just really nice bread, a good sourdough or a good seeded bread, a little dip on both, and straight in. There is nothing better. It is a fantastic ingredient. It is certified organic. It's cholesterol free and has over 90% polyunsaturated fatty acids. Amazing source of omega-3. And now not only that, it can be used topically as well, and an amazing oil for your skin. So, if all that information doesn't convince you, well, let me tell you that it tastes absolutely delicious. So, if the facts don't work for you, then flavor should, because this oil and this hemp seeds from Hemp Foods Australia are the best around.